Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and here we have to find the sound option. Let's tap on it. As you can see, we have to scroll down again, and here after tapping on advanced we can show whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option, but also for the notifications and alarms. Let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the full list of all available defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can choose none option, so your device won't notify you about any incoming calls. And after going to the very bottom of the list, we've got also add ringtone option, and after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files, and we will be able to choose something and set it as a ringtone. But let me get back, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately applied to the phone ringtone option, so it means that from now on your device will use it. Of course, the same situation will be with notifications and alarms. Let me show you. Here we've got the list of available ones, we've got none option, and right on the bottom we've got add ringtone. So the same situation, just tap on the option you'd like to use and tap on OK if you'd like to apply it. And the same situation, it is notified right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.